In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Webhooks Outgoing. Start by opening your browser and heading to app.slack.com. Sign into the workspace where you want this connection to live. If you're in multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding because integrations are scoped to a specific workspace. Once you're in Slack, click the More menu. Depending on your Slack layout, you'll usually find this in the left sidebar or near the top navigation. From the menu that opens, click Tools. This narrows the options to features related to building and connecting services. Next, click Apps. This takes you into the Slack app directory and the section that also includes classic or legacy integrations. In the directory's search bar, type Outgoing Webhooks. You may see it listed as a legacy or custom integration. That's expected. Outgoing webhooks are part of Slack's older integration framework and are still available in many workspaces. Select the Outgoing Webhooks entry, then click Install. If you're prompted for admin approval, you may need a workspace owner or admin to grant access, since installation permissions can vary by organization. After you click Install, you'll land on the setup page for Outgoing Webhooks. Here, Slack provides fields to define how messages in channels will trigger a webhook call to your external service. You'll typically choose a default channel or allow it to work in multiple channels, set one or more trigger words or patterns, and provide a request URL. The request URL is the endpoint on your server that will receive a post payload from Slack whenever a message matches your trigger criteria. Use a secure, publicly accessible URL so Slack can reach it. It's also a good idea to add a short description so teammates understand the purpose of this integration and to keep a record of who owns maintenance for it. On the same page, click Add Incoming Webhooks Integration. Although we're working with outgoing webhooks, Slack often pairs these with an incoming webhook so your service can post formatted responses back into Slack. Clicking this generates a unique webhook URL for posting messages into a selected channel. Treat that URL like a secret and share it only with trusted systems. Consider targeting a test channel while you get everything dialed in, then switch to your production channel once you're confident the messages look correct. That's it. You've navigated to Slack, opened the tools and app directory, installed outgoing webhooks, and added an incoming webhook to complete the loop. With those pieces in place, your workspace can send messages out to your service and optionally post responses back into Slack.